Hi friends, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can very easily authorize camera access in Facebook app on your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes and write your comments after watching this video. So let's get down to our topic. And first of all, please open your phone settings on your iPhone. Next, you will need to find the Facebook app. You'll be able to do this in two ways. Either by swiping your finger a little bit from top to bottom. A search box will appear where you can simply type the word Facebook and click on it. Or you can swipe to the very bottom, where you have all the apps on your phone, find Facebook, and click on that as well. And then you'll need to find the camera section. And you need to make sure that it's activated. If you have it looking like this, it means that you haven't activated the camera access to the Facebook app yet. The only thing you'll need to do is click on the word camera to allow it access to the Facebook app. That's how you'll be able to allow camera access in the Facebook app on your iPhone. I really hope this video has helped you friends. Please give your likes, write your comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you later.